What's going on, guys? Just wanted to give you guys a real quick video today about how to change the blinker lights on your Ram 1500. So real quick, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a T25 Torx bit, and you're going to need your bulbs. So you have your two bolts right here and right here. And all you're going to do is you're just going to pull out back, straight towards the back of the truck, and you'll remove the clips. So these are the two clips right here, and they're just going to come out of these guys right there. So you're just going to pull straight back. Next, you're just going to twist this guy here. Pull that out. You're going to remove your old bulb and swap in the new one. Then go inside the truck, make sure it works. Then you're just going to reinstall it, and you're going to line up your tabs and push your tail light back on. And then you're done. Thanks for watching.